like I'm working on my triceps. Or is it biceps? Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a interesting 1 week. I hope you've had fun. I hope you're doing okay, and I hope you're eating healthy. Anyway, today on the channel is hair day, and basically I'm going to be showing you my basic hair routine, and that's because I have a sensitive scalp. So if you have a sensitive scalp, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you a combination of products in which I use to kind of like, I really don't know the chemistry behind it, to make my scalp a little bit harder and make my hair, more manageable after washing it. So it's compulsory for me to do this hair routine. I call it Adefunke special hair relaxer. My hair is, I'm the best person to handle it. Let me just put it like that. So Adefunke's hair relaxer, it's not a relaxer really, but it helps me to calm my hair down, calm my scalp down, and it makes my hair more manageable. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. So I'll take this down. In another video, maybe next week, I'll show you how I put and installed this on my hair. But for now, I'm taking it down and I'm showing you how I make my relaxer and what I do to my hair just before I make it. So sit down, relax, enjoy, and see you in the bathroom. Okay guys, I've taken down all of the hair, and right now I'm just looking at it and making fun of myself that this is a good bicep and tricep exercise when you make your hair yourself. This is my spray bottle. Yeah, it's pink, I know, and I have blue on my nails. I'm quite colorful, bright and beautiful, etc. So your spray bottle is your best friend. And what do I have in my spray bottle? It's just water and shea butter. Is it shea butter or shea butter? Whichever, either Nigerian English or American English, as long as you understand what I'm saying. So this is shea butter from, where did I get it from? My mother. Hi. So first thing I do is to water the hair down, and then I section into 4. And my hair has a low water retention capacity. So I realized that putting the leave-in conditioner before I soak the hair with water actually helps a lot. Why? I don't know, but it actually helps the water to stay in. So if I just go straight off now to do this, in a matter of minutes, you find all of the water running through my face. The water is coming down. So I just wet it a little bit just to feel a little water, and then I put the leave-in conditioner already. So okay. At this point in time, I think I just do this. Yeah, so just a little water just to wet it a little bit. I'm looking like my hair is actually a lot. Is it just me? What do you think? Is it me? So it means I'm doing something right, yeah? Wow. I really don't have any go-to technique, but maybe I'll share one day now. But I think my hair is actually a lot for being natural for 1.5 years, and it's all natural, like the relaxed portion has been cut off. So okay, so I use two leave-in conditioners. I use a different one after washing and a different one before washing, and there's no specific reason other than the fact that I actually have 2 different ones. So one I bought, the other was a gift from my sister. So I think my sister sent me this. Yeah, as per baby of the house, people are always loving on me, So at this juncture, I'm going to part the hair into 4. Then I can deal with my hair section by section. I poured water now, the hair is looking like a hoodlum. You might wonder why I'm not using a towel. I use a t-shirt actually, to an old t-shirt, not something I wear when I'm done washing, because I think the towel kind of sucks all the moisture out of your hair. So you just need something that wipes enough water, but not all the water on your hair, so the t-shirt works fine for me, basically. I'm simply sectioning my hair so it's easier to work with. So I'm going to go off camera now to finish everything off and let it stay in my hair while I prepare the hair treatment. Okay, so here we are getting prepared to make Adefunke special hair treatment. And for these are all the ingredients that we require. And you need a medium-sized avocado, and that's coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, castor oil, shea butter, and hair mayonnaise. Actually, you can replace this with egg, but I add heat to my hair treatment process, so I kind of like don't want egg in my hair. So hair mayonnaise it is. Okay, so I'm using a regular bottle. I don't have a blender, so this is a smoothie maker bottle. I just have one bottle dedicated to hair stuff. So if you don't have a blender, you can also use this. Nobody's gonna know, and if they know, that's their problem. I put water in the bottle first because I don't want the product getting stuck into the bottom. So I'm just gonna really quickly start cutting everything that needs to be cut and putting everything that needs to be put. And yeah, I'm gonna eat the other half of the avocado. I need to keep my mouth busy. 1 spoon olive oil. Boom! Cover it up. Blam, blam, blam. 1 spoon. Remember to shake it. Apple cider vinegar. Shake it. It has to be the one that has on the body with the mother. Please, if you are not used to using this product, then use 1 teaspoon, not 1 tablespoon. Then we have our shea butter and 1 spoon. Also the coconut oil. It's actually sleeping. That's because of the weather. It's cold already. So, and then 1 spoon castor oil. It has Jamaica something written on it. I'm sure you can find that in the regular stores that sell hair products or whatnot. And we are basically done. We're just gonna put like 1 or 2 spoons of the hair mayonnaise. 2 spoons, yeah, depending on the volume of your hair. You might want to put either 1 or 2 spoons. My hair is actually really full, so 2 spoons it is. Add some water, cover the bottle, and blend away. There we have it, the mixture, like ice cream. I'm actually using an ice cream container, funny enough. Yeah, so you want to get it. Don't let the product be runny, because if it's runny, it's just going to be dripping down your neck when you have it in your hair. So I'm trying to make it not runny. Like it should have a smooth consistency, like a regular relaxer. Mix. I think you can see what I'm doing. And it's not too runny, it's like relaxer thick. Yeah. Okay, so this is the shampoo I use. You can get this from xoxo, and also the conditioner I'm using right now from Lidl. And so next I'm just gonna wash my hair. Washing took a few minutes, and now I'm using the t-shirt to dry and analyzing my hair. It looks okay, detangling, and then applying my hair concoction. So you want to apply it in every perimeter of your hair and ensure you massage your scalp also in the process to ensure that the hair goes in. Pay no serious attention to me. I was just there busy having a personal bathroom concert. Yeah, if you have a wide tooth comb, you can also detangle a little bit. Most people do not like to do this, but I do. And put as much of the treatment in as you can. Ensure that it gets to your scalp, to every nook and cranny of your hair. It's actually really important. The more you apply, the more your hair softens, and then you can really detangle it. And some of the tips, something is dropping, so I'm just taking that out and combing it. See how smooth it looks now to comb it. But of course, if you're more of a hand person, then feel free to just use your hands. Okay, so when I'm done with every section, I try to bite. What's ba in English? To kind of weave it into a knot, right? So that's what I'm up to right now, just detangling, weaving it, forming some kind of Bantu knot. So section your hair as much as you can and boom, put the stuff and Bantu knot and all that. So next I'm going to get a plastic bag and put it over my head. Leave it hanging to your forehead if you so wish. This one I cut the bottom and then just put it somehow. So next I'll be applying some heat, and at the moment I do not have any of these fancy steaming things. So basically I have a broadcast guide to hair steaming. So I take this t-shirt, dip it in water, drain the water out, and then put it in a microwave for about 4 to 5 minutes if I'm not mistaken. So now I'm going off the camera to actually get that done. Put it in water, rinse it out, put it in the microwave. When you take it out, you want to be extremely careful because it's really hot, and then put it over my hair and take another plastic bag and then cover that so that this retains the heat. I'm so sorry, little. So this retains the heat in my hair, and then I go about my day doing my own thing and whatever it is that I want to do. So after waiting like a minimum of 30 minutes minimum, then I simply rinse the hair out and basically leave it in the 4 section till I'm ready to do something about it. So you can see my mouth moving. Yeah, I realized that I talked a lot. So basically I'm telling you the possible things that I want to do with my hair tomorrow or the next day when I'm done, but I eventually did it in a ponytail. So this is what I did with my hair with a puff and a bead. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching.